Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you through the process of resetting your password on Adobe Express. Whether you have forgotten your password or just want to update it, resetting is a simple process. Let's get started. First, open the Adobe Express app on your device. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. On login screen, look for Forget Password or Get Help with Login. Now we'll click on Reset or Change your Adobe Password. It is asking us to go to this link, so we'll click on the link as well. Now you will need to enter the email associated with your Adobe Express account. Make sure to type it accurately to receive the password reset instructions. Now it is asking for your password. We'll click on Reset Your Password since we do not have a password. After clicking on that, we will receive an email with instruction on how to reset password. Check your email inbox from Adobe. We have already received the code. Once you are on password reset page, you will prompted to create a new password for your Adobe Express account. Enter your new password in the designated field and confirm it. Make sure you will write the same password in here as well. In case the password in new password and repeat password is not the same, it will not allow you to process further. So now we'll tap on update password. After setting your new password, click on continue. We are finally able to log into our account. And there you have it. Resetting your password on Adobe Express is a straightforward process, ensuring that you can regain access to your account quickly and securely. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.